Korea gets its first wallet app, Bitcoins gets Bazaar, and digital currencies gets a top 40. Today is Thursday, August 14th, 2014, and the price of Bitcoin, despite recent good news, took a bit of a plunge, dropping over $50 overnight and dropping below $500 for the first time since May, but now currently sits at around $505. I'm Stephen Chun, and here's what's happening today in money and tech. South Korean Bitcoin exchange Coinplug has become the first Bitcoin company to release an iOS mobile wallet in Korea, with the release of its 3 new wallet apps. Each of the 3 apps is designed to benefit a different kind of Bitcoin user. There's the basic Bitcoin wallet, allowing users to send, receive, and hold Bitcoins. The Bitcoin Wallet Plus, which allow users to send, receive, buy, sell, and trade their Bitcoins. And the Bitcoin Balance Checker for users who don't want to hold any Bitcoins, but still want to check balances. Since last November, Coinplug has raised $800,000 in VC funding, half of that coming from Tim Draper's personal investment firm DGF, and is clearly already putting that funding to good use. Bitcoin wallet software company Hive has launched its Hive Wallet iOS app for devices on iOS 7.0 or later, having already been available on Mac OS X and Android. Like the other versions, the iOS wallet comes with the Waggle geo-location feature for finding other nearby Hive users and supports Bitcoin and Litecoin, with plans to add more cryptocurrencies soon. Bitcoin's LLC today announced the release of Bitcoin Bazaar Local, the first mobile marketplace app that matches buyers and sellers of Bitcoins, now available on both the iTunes and Google Play app stores. The app helps users find other buyers and sellers in their neighborhood using location services from their mobile phone, and then conduct the transaction using cash without needing to enter the bank or financial information into the app. As Bitcoin CTO Shahani Wiwerani explains, mobile is a natural fit for those who want to trade Bitcoins, and buying or selling with cash is still the easiest way to acquire the currency. In the past, finding someone near you to transact with wasn't easy with mobile devices. With Bitcoin Bazaar, anyone can buy or sell Bitcoin in person easily. Also today, digital currency rating service Coinist announced the launch of a public beta focused on providing public ratings for assets on the Bitcoin 2.0 and Ripple ecosystems, including its Coinist Top 40, which lists the top 40 cryptocurrencies and assets rated by market cap and augmented by human-generated content. As founder and CEO John Whelan explains, we've reached the point where anyone now has the ability to issue an asset on Ripple or Next or Counterparty. And as you can imagine, there is a wide variation in the asset quality. While a user can be fairly secure when holding US dollar assets or Bitcoin assets that have been issued into the network by firms such as Bitstamp, people will need to do some due diligence when holding assets which have been issued by lesser known or, in some cases, unknown entities. That's why we decided to build Coinist. Ripple Labs announced today that it has reached an agreement with co-founder Jed McCaleb to prevent the sale of his 9 million XRP he received when co-founding the company. As the company's blog post states, after extensive discussions, Jed has agreed to lock up terms for his XRP and proceeds to lay out the terms of how much McCaleb will be permitted to sell off per year, starting with no more than 10,000 per week during the first year. According to the post, 10,000 per week currently comprises less than 1% of volume, so its sale will have minimal impact on the price of XRP. The post concludes, as you know, Chris and Jed hold very different viewpoints on how Ripple will re-architect finance for the betterment of the world. But it's also important to acknowledge that they both share the ultimate desire to see that change realized. Our team at Ripple Labs, our partners, investors, and I'm sure you, our community, are pleased to have reached a final constructive outcome as we continue on with the important work we care about and believe in so deeply. Leading Bitcoin payments provider BitPay has expanded its San Francisco office with several new hires, including Sunny Singh as its new Chief Commercial Officer. Singh's over 15 years of experience helping to grow tech companies in Silicon Valley makes him the perfect candidate to build out our San Francisco office, according to BitPay CEO Tony Gallipi. Singh is equally excited about his new position, saying BitPay offers merchants a no-risk way to increase revenue while decreasing interchange costs and credit card fraud. When I looked at the amazing growth BitPay has been experiencing, I realized Bitcoin is a movement that is going to change e-commerce forever. BitPay has also hired Steve Pratt, who previously worked at Visa for 21 years as its new Director of Business Development, and Greg Ziegler, with 10 years at PayPal under his belt as a Senior Software Engineer. As always, find more information on today's news stories at moneyandtech.com. I'm Stephen Chun, and thanks for watching Money and Tech's Daily News Update.